Sometimes you come across places which are beyond your imagination. You just have to walk deep into the nature and you would always receive more than what you are seeking for. If the magnificence of mountain gives power to you to move, if the green blades of grass leaves you mesmerized, if the festivities of the locals fills you with rejoice, if the society that no one intrudes intrigues you, and if you find fun in the simple things of nature, you know that your soul is alive. Continuing my journey across the northeast India, this time I took the uncharted trails leading to the untouched landscapes. The land where the sun shines in its full glory. The land of diverse culture. The land where uniqueness flashes from every form of life. The land of multiple terrains. To the beautiful state of Nagaland, along with a bunch of soulful people.
Hi, I'm Ankita and I'm a content creator. So I travel and I create content. This is my third time in Nagaland in the last 2 months. So I clearly love it.
Hey, I'm Nishant. I run Chalo Hopo and we take people to villages and authentic experience in Northeast India and tell things like Suleki has only 35 houses, which NISHIT didn't know about.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Biswas. I'm a portrait photographer and today I'm going to take some portrait on this village.
That was so fun.
Come unwind this Nagaland journey with me.